You guys remember Threads? You don't? Yeah, Threads was this big deal, this big app from Meta, aka Facebook, which came out to combat the evil empire of Elon Musk and Twitter. And Threads made a big splash when it first came out. They had a big swell of users, and a little bit of a controversial thing because it was like a merge of Instagram users, which instantly became Threads users. All they had to do was click a button. So they had millions of users, and then it quickly dropped off like a rock. And people still use it, but not the way it was kind of hyped up in the beginning. But anyway, it's good to hear that according to this article over on Engadget.com, that Threads is actually still expanding their feature set based on user feedback. The latest experimental Threads feature lets you save drafts and take photos in app. These are only available for a small set of users, so they're doing these A/B rollouts, which I hate. I actually hate it. Just release it. It's gonna be broken anyway when you release it. So just anyway, this is what it says. They have a draft options. One of these experimental features is the ability to save drafts. Users will be able to save a post that they've typed in draft, and they'll be able to edit and publish later by swiping down on their mobile device's display. There you go. Swipe down, save as draft. That's a little animation picture there. In addition to drafts, Meta is also testing an in-app camera. It opens the mobile phone's camera from within Threads itself so that users can more easily share photos and videos from the phone. These are very, very basic features. Super duper basic. If you've been using Twitter, if you're using Instagram, you've been using any mobile app for any amount of time, you're like, oh, okay, that's nice. That just goes to show you just how much Threads was missing. It was very bare. It came out, it didn't have hardly anything. Like you couldn't even see your followers' feed. All you could see was just like their curated feed, and that was it. So they launched that thing quickly. And it was missing a lot. So these were some of the most requested things: drafts, the camera, and also they're going to be testing some other things. Over the past month, Meta is also testing a bookmarking feature for Threads that allows users to save posts that they can refer to later. The company is experimenting with this version of trending topics on Threads as well, along with the ability to make cross posts between Threads and Facebook. So other than the Facebook thing, all those things already exist on some of the other social networks out there who will not be named. X. So they're playing catch up, but this is good that they're still developing because I think competition is good. I'm glad that Facebook is taking this seriously. Although I wasn't super impressed with Threads when I first used it, I'm glad to see that they're actually making some improvements to the app because it needs it. It's very bare, very minimal at the moment, and it needs a lot of love. So check this out over on Engadget.com. They got the details about Threads. It's not dead. Despite what you just said, chat, I heard you. I'm not talking to chat. I'm talking to YouTube. Bye.